Eggs are a nutritional powerhouse packed with protein, vitamins, and minerals. They're a great source of choline, essential for brain health, and B vitamins, which support energy metabolism. By understanding the best and worst food pairings for eggs, you can maximize their nutritional benefits and avoid potential digestive issues. Let's explore some food pairings to avoid and optimal choices to maximize the nutritional value of your eggs. Don't miss our tips for optimal egg consumption at the end of the video. Bread and flour-based foods. While combining eggs with bread can be a satisfying meal, it's important to consider the type of bread. Refined grains, such as white bread, can lead to rapid spikes in blood sugar levels. Pairing eggs with whole grain bread, which is rich in fiber, can help stabilize blood sugar levels and promote better digestion. Soy products. Soy products, while often considered healthy, contain compounds that can interfere with the absorption of biotin, a crucial B vitamin found in eggs. Biotin plays a vital role in maintaining healthy hair, skin, and nails. A deficiency in biotin can lead to hair loss, skin rashes, and nail problems. Apricots. Apricots contain tannins, which can bind to proteins and hinder digestion. When paired with eggs, this can lead to digestive discomfort and may even increase the risk of food poisoning, especially in sensitive individuals. Milk. Consuming eggs with milk can cause digestive issues, including bloating and gas. The combination of proteins in both foods can be difficult for the digestive system to process, leading to discomfort. Fish. While both eggs and fish are excellent protein sources, combining them in a single meal can increase the risk of food allergies and digestive upset, especially for individuals with sensitive digestive systems. Bananas. Bananas, high in fiber, can exacerbate digestive issues, especially when paired with protein-rich foods like eggs. This can lead to bloating, gas, and discomfort, particularly for individuals with sensitive digestive systems. Cheese and potatoes. Combining eggs with cheese and potatoes can create a heavy meal, rich in protein, fat, and carbohydrates. This combination can be difficult to digest, leading to indigestion and discomfort. Tea and coffee. Tannins in tea and coffee can bind to certain nutrients in eggs, such as iron, reducing their absorption. This can diminish the overall nutritional value of your meal. Beans. Beans, rich in fiber, can exacerbate digestive issues, especially when combined with protein-rich foods like eggs. This can lead to bloating, gas, and discomfort, particularly for individuals with sensitive digestive systems. Sugary foods. While combining protein, fat, and carbohydrates in a meal can help stabilize blood sugar levels, consuming sugary foods with eggs can lead to rapid spikes and crashes in blood sugar levels, affecting energy levels, mood, and overall health. Yogurt and spicy foods. While yogurt can be a healthy food, combining it with spicy foods, especially when paired with eggs, can irritate the digestive system, leading to heartburn, indigestion, and discomfort for some individuals. Conclusion and tips. While some studies have suggested a potential link between excessive egg consumption and certain types of cancer, the evidence is complex and ongoing research is needed. However, it's clear that certain food pairings can significantly impact digestion and nutrient absorption. To optimize the health benefits of eggs and minimize potential risks, consider the following. Cook them properly. Boiling or steaming is preferable to frying. Pair them with nutrient-dense foods. Vegetables, whole grains, and healthy fats are excellent choices. Listen to your body. If you experience any digestive discomfort, consider avoiding certain food combinations. By following these guidelines, you can enjoy the many benefits of eggs and maintain a healthy diet.